Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm so pleased to have you back again. Today I'm bringing you an interesting video. So guys, I'll be showing you how to make spring rolls. Spring rolls are very popular and they are so easy to enjoy. So guys, here are my ingredients for making spring rolls. Most importantly, I'll be using cabbage. So I have enough cabbage here for this spring roll recipe, and I have some spring onions. Just because it's spring rolls, I'm using spring onions. I have some carrots, green pepper, green chilies, red chilies, green beans, onion, and some red tomatoes. To this spring roll recipe, I'll be using mashed potato for my filling. These potatoes are peeled and cooked, so I'm yet to mash them. Now, to make my spring rolls, I'm going to start by chopping all my vegetables. So I'm just going to use a knife to shred my cabbage. I'll just make sure I shred them as thin as possible. And I'm going to be grating my carrots because it gives a fine texture to my spring rolls. I am now done chopping all my vegetables. Now, to make spring roll proper, I'm going to place a pan on heat. To the pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to start by adding minced garlic, and I'm going to go in with my chopped onions. And I'm going to fry this for 30 seconds or until it's translucent. Once my onion is fragrant, I'm going to go in with minced beef. I'm just using a regular beef, so I use my blender to mince this the way I want. I'm just going to stir and break the beef apart. Next, I'm going to season my beef with some stock cubes, so I'm using just one. And with a little bit of salt. Once I've added all this seasoning, I'm just going to stir and leave the beef to cook for a while. I'm using beef for this spring roll recipe. I just want to let you know you can use pork or chicken. I have cooked my meat for 10 minutes, so I gave it time to cook. Right now, I'm going to go in with my vegetable. Your choice of vegetable depends on you. I'm going in with my chopped tomatoes, so I'm adding tomato first because it has water. Next, I'm just going to stir and make sure it combines. Look at how beautiful it looks. Once the tomato is a little bit soft, I'm going to go in with my shredded carrots, green beans, green pepper, and spring onions. I'll also go in with green chili pepper and the red chili pepper. I'm just going to give this a stir. If the whole mixture appears dry, add about 3 tablespoons of water. And then stir to combine. Once my vegetables are slightly wilted, I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then I will stir everything to combine. Lastly, I'm going to bring in the shredded cabbage and my mashed potato, and I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to write down all the quantity of ingredients I'm using in the description box. At this point, you can test for pepper and salt, and you can adjust it to your test. Once I'm happy with the test of my spring roll fillings, I'm just going to turn off the heat and leave this to cool completely. Once my spring roll filling has cooled down, we are going to start stuffing our spring roll using my homemade spring roll wrappers. Okay, I have made a video on how to make spring roll wrappers at home. All I'm just going to do, I'm going to grab the wrapper, put it like this, and I'm going to scoop 2 tablespoons of the fillings, drop it on the wrapper. And now I'm going to start wrapping this carefully. So I'm just going to cover this, then bring the sides like this. And we have something like an open envelope. Then I'm going to wrap it again and again. Once I reach the end, I have a glue here which I prepared with 2 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm just going to dip my hand, then use it to glue the end so my spring roll don't open while it fries. And then I'm going to roll it until everything is completely sealed. Once it is properly sealed like this, I'm just going to set it aside. I'm going to go in again with the filling so you can see 2 tablespoons of the filling on the wrapper. And then I'm going to bring the end and cover the filling, roll it, folding the ends like this, then fold it. Once it reaches the ending, I'm going to put the glue and finish it up by rolling it. And I'm going to continue until we are done. Once your spring rolls are nicely wrapped like this, you can transfer them to hot oil. Now heat enough oil in a pan deep enough to fry your spring rolls. Once your oil is heated up, you can now add in your spring rolls, a few at a time. I'm just going to fry these 2 at a time. Just make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. Make sure to turn them over so they fry evenly. Once my spring rolls are evenly brown and they are crispy, I'm going to drain them from the oil. I'm just going to leave them on a paper towel for the oil to be drained. Now we are going to continue with the rest until we are done with all our spring rolls. So guys, our spring rolls are ready. They are properly fried, they are brown and crisp. They are crunchy on the outside and they are filled with delicious ingredients in there. Let's take a look at this. Can you see this? So yummy. You can easily enjoy this and they are so easy to make. This was how to make spring rolls recipe at home. I hope you are inspired to make this. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell button. Don't forget to share this video and also like the video. You can leave your suggestion in the comment section below. Until next time, I'd love to see you soon. Bye.